Welcome to the Science Hub Academy. Here you get scientific concepts in a very simple and easy way. Have you ever thought that everything around you, air, water, and even your body is made of tiny particles called atoms? But what exactly is inside an atom? Let's explore the structure of the atom. Here we go. First of all, we will define atom. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of matter that may or may not exist independently. An atom is mainly composed of three subatomic particles. Number 1, electron. Number 2, proton. Number 3, neutron. These three particles are major components of an atom, and their unique arrangement decides the structure of the atom. Electron carries a negative charge. Proton carries a positive charge. Neutron has no charge, or neutral. The protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus at the center of the atom, whereas electrons move around the nucleus in different energy levels or shells. Do you know the difference between atomic mass and atomic number? The sum of protons and neutrons is called the mass number, or atomic mass, and the number of protons present in the nucleus is called the atomic number. Actually, atomic number is the entity that decides the chemical properties of matter. And electrons move around the nucleus in different energy levels or shells. These shells are named K, L, M, N. The energy increases in the order K less than L less than M less than N. Then each shell contains smaller regions called subshells. These are S, P, D, F. Maximum capacity of shells. K shell can hold maximum of 2 electrons. L shell can hold maximum of 8 electrons. M shell can hold maximum of 18 electrons. And N shell can hold maximum of 32 electrons. Subshells also have specific capacity to hold electrons. S subshell can hold maximum of 2 electrons. P subshell can hold maximum of 6 electrons. D subshell can hold maximum of 10 electrons. F subshell can hold maximum of 14 electrons. These subshells arranged like this. Now see the electron distribution in shells and subshells. Electron distribution depends on the principal quantum number, n. When n equals 1, then it is K shell. K equals 1s2. The K shell can hold maximum of 2 electrons. When n equals 2, then it is L shell. L equals 2s2, 2p6. The L shell can hold maximum of 8 electrons. When n equals 3, then it is M shell. M equals 3s2, 3p6, 3d10. The M shell can hold maximum of 18 electrons. When n equals 4, then it is N shell. N equals 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, 4f14. The N shell can hold maximum of 32 electrons. Principal quantum number. The symbol N represents the principal quantum number, which tells us the energy level or shell of an electron. Quick summary. Number 1, atom is the smallest unit of matter. Number 2, it contains electrons, protons, and neutrons. Number 3, protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus. Number 4, electrons move in different energy levels and subshells. It is very interesting fact that most of the space inside an atom is empty because of the size and spacing of the particles inside it. Number 1, nucleus is very small and present at the center of the atom, in which protons and neutrons are found. But the size of the nucleus is very small compared to the whole atom. For example, if an atom is the size of a stadium, so the nucleus will be like a marble in the middle. The rest is almost empty space. Like, share, and subscribe. Your support means a lot.